this is the GameMod here, and that box keeps falling down. It just does not like us today, I guess. And I'm joined by my dad. And today we are doing a sour taste test challenge. And we got Sour Patch Kids Extreme. We got Sour Punch Bites. And then Warheads. And then Juicy Drop Taffy, Apple Attack, and
that's what happens when you got a fan going on up the top there. So.
And we got sour spaghetti and.
Can you reach that?
Yeah, try.
It's alright, go ahead. Just.
Love them laying down. Here.
Technical difficulties, but
Yep.
alright. So.
Technical difficulties. Let's try and get the microphone.
Alright,
Okay.
actually.
What?
Alright.
Let's. Oh yeah, we have one more thing, which is this, and we're saving this for last.
Yes.
Let's start with these, I guess.
Yep. And what is this?
These are the Sour Patch Kids Extreme.
Alright.
Choose all destiny. Oh man,
mine.
the blue one. Whatever, I want a blue one.
You gotta try a different one than me.
Aww. I want the blue.
You can have blue later.
Okay.
Alright, Sour Patch Kids Extreme Sour Taste Test Challenge. That's really, really sour.
Only thing that says on the flavors I have. Nope.
Wow,
Yeah, it doesn't
that's
say
pretty
what-
sour.
Yeah. No way they call it Sour Patch Kids Extreme.
And it says sour then sweet. 100% sour. But still good.
Pick the next one.
Alright, we're gonna do this. So this is taffy with
Some of the new stuff.
the juice, yeah. And it's sour.
The sourness of ultimateness.
Yes.
Sourness of ultimateness. Hashtag sourness of ultimateness. Okay, I cannot get this open.
Now these are actually a little difficult to open.
Very difficult to open for me.
Yeah, it's even for me too, so. So we're gonna do, once we finally get these open, which I got mine. Do you need help?
I'm gonna try it one more time.
Here.
I cannot get it, sorry.
Well, you kinda got it all jacked up here.
All I was trying to do was open it.
Yeah, well you opened it the wrong way.
It's the way I open it.
Alright, so now we got this one open. Like I said, these are really good. We've had these before.
We did do an episode on this, but it was just a mistake because everything was blurry except for the computer screen, so we're going to redo it.
Alright, so this is
Can I do it first?
Juicy Drop Taffy. And again, these are just little taffy wafers, and then you throw
It's
some of this little sour
sourdough.
stuff on it. And the more you put on, the more sour it is. Here.
Got it.
Put a lot on there.
I am.
Alright.
And here, tiny bit more. Okay, there we go. That's good.
Alright.
That's way a lot. It's. See it? That's a lot.
So we're going to have a lot of this left over because we only have 2 of these
Left.
So, but that's alright. Maybe we'll do a little mix and match. Alright?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Wow. That is pretty sour.
I'm sorry. Blue sour.
That was really sour. I think it was more sour because it was still in your mouth. It's a
Yeah.
bigger piece.
And plus this gel is actually, I think, really, really sour.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna.
So what we're gonna do when we're done, and we're gonna mix the two most sour things, because I think it's gonna be. See, we already done this. We'll put some of this on the Sour Patch Kids. All right.
And then probably a little bit of this on it too.
All right. All right. What next? Next.
Probably go for this.
We had those.
No, we didn't. Never mind. Sorry.
So we have this one we gotta do.
That one and the sour spaghetti.
This one. So which one do you
I should
want?
go for this one.
All right.
One
So this
blue.
is the Warhead. Oh,
Wait, let me see what flavor blue is. Oh,
Blueberry.
blue is raspberry. I'm actually gonna go for orange.
Alright.
Orange is orange.
so these are Warheads.
Choose your destiny. I like saying that.
I'm gonna go with the orange one.
Orange.
Oh, you both got orange? All right. Tasty, just like orange. Sour? Not at all.
There's no sour in this whatsoever.
Oh, wait a minute. Just a little hint. Just a little hint of sour, but not real sour.
Probably gonna go for this one.
All right. This is the Sour
Punch
Bites.
Yeah, okay, ready, set, go. This is no flavor whatsoever and a
That's
tiny hint of sugar.
I think they're kind of nasty.
Really disgusting.
Not good at all. Sour, a little sour on the after. A little sour after bite.
I need this gun.
Really?
What?
You're drinking all my drink.
No, it's mine.
Oh, all right.
Yours is that one.
All right. All right. So this is the Haribo.
Yes.
Haribo, whatever how you say it.
The sour spaghetti.
It's in a sour spaghetti.
I think I had a
So-
red one. I think I had a red or blue one. I'm not sure. I'm actually gonna go for the green.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Set, go.
You know what?
Not bad.
It's not bad. It's hard.
Just like these. These are like a little hard.
But not sour. They're pleasantly delicious.
And the sour tastes terrible.
So are you agreeing with me that the Juicy Drop Taffy and the Sour Patch are both
Yes.
the most sour?
Last stink. Do you want to just go for the plain juice or the juice? Or
Well, I don't want to. You're going to eat that, so I don't want to be licking on it if you're going to be eating it.
okay.
So. Oh my God.
This plain. This is good plain. Yeah, we could try it with this.
That juice is as sour just as it is.
That was good.
All right. So, which one's the winner?
I'm gonna have to go for these two, and maybe we could put maybe like we both will pick one, and then we're gonna put like a few drops.
All right. So, which one's the winner, though? You got to tell you which one's the winner. You got to pick one.
I'm gonna probably go for this one.
Okay. So the Juicy Drop Taffy Apple Attack is the winner.
But let's actually do a small mix and match.
All right. So what we'll do is we're gonna go and we're gonna be a little crazy here.
Yeah.
So and we need something to put them on here. We're gonna put these on here so that way we can. We're gonna both do orange.
Okay.
And
Which one to put on first? Put that one on.
yeah, and I'll put this one on. So we're gonna go super sour.
Come on, sour gel. Thank you.
All right. I'm gonna put a little bit on each one of these. Alright, and then do a little bit of that. Just like I did.
2 drops.
Okay. Alright. So let's do this.
Yeah.
He's gonna eat it right, just eat it right out of there. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
This is really sour and disgusting.
Wow.
It's sour and disgusting. Blah.
I need mine.
He has lemonade. I have unsweetened iced tea.
Alright. Alrighty. Ugh. That was good.
Actually turned out to be pretty good. And this is delicious.
Alright.
If you guys enjoyed, then please do leave a like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And
Hey, where are you?
Emily GamerMod, and just say in the comments below what you want us to try next. Emily GamerMod, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
See ya.